Ever not a babe for the first time and caught yourself thinking, what's running through her head right now? You're lying there trying to act chill, but deep down, you're wondering, did she enjoy that? Am I about to become her favorite or just another body? Relax. Let me break it down. Because whether she sees it or not, here's what's really happening in her mind after that first time. One is she's mentally waiting you. Yes. The minute it's over, the scorecard is out. She's thinking, was this worth adding to my body count? Did he deliver or did he just move like a confused rabbit? Did I waste my time, my Uber fare, and my wax? She's not just rating the performance, she's rating you. She's rating you, your energy, your effort, the vibe, how you handled her body. If you're ever jealous or just selfish, and trust me, if you are giving me, her brain is already logging it as never again. So the second thing that is going through her mind is this a one-time thing or we are repeating this? Immediately after, her eyes are on your next move. She's watching how you act because your after-act behavior tells her everything she needs to know. Do you roll over and grab your phone like you clocked out of the shift? Or do you offer her water, help her clean up, or just talk to her like a human being? Some of you ruin the entire experience just by how cold you get afterward. If you start acting distant, quiet, or like you're in a hurry to send her home, congratulations, you have officially turned a business experience into a regret. But if you want her to feel good, even without saying much, your aftercare game has to be strong. Simple things like staying present, being attentive, even cracking a joke or continuing whatever movie you guys started can make a big difference. You understand? It can make a big difference. So the first thing that will be going through her mind is he brag worthy or just a story for the group chat? You know, girls like to chit chat, okay? Oh yeah, she's thinking, should I gist the girls? Because best believe somebody is going to hear about you. Have to believe it, somebody's going to hear about you. Either you are about to be hyped up like, girl, that man flipped me like a pancake, or she's laughing with her bestie like, can't believe I shaved for that. So details will drop from stroke game to oral skills to size to how you handled her. You don't need to be perfect, but if you brought zero effort or moved like you skipped foreplay school, just know you are not getting a second invite. And the group chat, they already voted you off the island. So how do you leave her impressed after the first night? How do you leave her impressed after the first night? Now, let me give you a few gems. Have aftercare energy. That's one. Don't switch from full lover boy to cold stranger the moment you're done. Call her if she's into it. Offer water, wipe her down. Don't leave her to figure things out alone. Keep it smooth. Second thing is send that follow-up text. No, not a needy one. Just something simple and confident. Like last night was mad. You're amazing, or hope you got home safe. You've been on my mind. You understand? That small effort, it resets everything. It tells her you're not just moving like a hit and run. The third thing you should do is let her breathe. Let her breathe. Don't come back the next day begging for round two. Give her room to miss you. If she felt the connection, she will show it. Let the energy flow both ways. Some of you ruin your chances by acting like a dog in heat. Chill. Let her reach out too. Balance is sexy. I want you to know that. Okay? So fellas, now is your turn. When you knock or finish doing the do with a date for the first time, do you overthink like this too? Do you wonder how she rated you, or do you just dust off and bounce? Now, I want you to drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know, honestly, I really want to know. So that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and then share.